Today we want to look at the median of discrete data. The median refers to the number that is at the middle of any given data. What is discrete data? Discrete data refers to ungrouped data. Okay, that's what we mean by the term discrete. Now, to find the median of n ungrouped data, we have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order so that we can find the median. Now look at the example we have here. The heights in centimeters of 5 boys in grade 10 are as follows. So these are the heights of 5 boys in grade 10. So we want to determine the median of their heights. This is very simple. This is how we do it. As we have said here, to find the median of the data, we have to arrange it in ascending order or descending order. So what do we do here? In our case, let us arrange it in ascending order. Which is the smallest number here? The smallest is 110. Followed by another 110. The next number is 120. Followed by another 120. Then lastly 130. Now we have arranged the numbers. This is from the smallest to the largest. From there we have to find the median number. What do? We look at which number is at the middle of this when arranged like that. Now we can do this. Okay, we cancel the other one and the other one. We cancel one here and the other one. So at the middle we have this number 120. So what is the median? The median is 120. So that is how we find the median of that data. Let us go to example 2. The mass in kilograms of 6 patients was recorded as 50 kgs, 45, 60, 50, 60 and 50. So we are supposed to determine the median mass of the patients. So as we said earlier, to find the median of any ungrouped data, we have to arrange the data in either ascending or descending order. So let me do it in ascending order. So the smallest number here is 45, followed by 50. There's another 50 there. These are 50, and there's another 50 here. Followed by 60. And there's another 6 the other side. So we have arranged the numbers in ascending order from the smallest to the largest. So what we can do, we can do this. When you cancel one number here, you cancel another one the other side. You cancel one here, another the other side. So at the middle we have 2 numbers, so we cannot cancel like this. These 2 numbers, what we can do, we add them so that we can get the median as 50 plus 50 divided by 2 is equal to what? This 50 divided by 50, 50 plus 50 is equal to 100 divided by 2. So the median will be equal to 50 kgs. That is how we find the median when the number or the number of the items is even. The first one, the number of items was odd. Now this one is even. If you have a question, please send the question to the comment section of this video so that we can address your concerns. So that is our assignment. The ages of some grade 10 girls are as follows: 14, 16, 16, 15, 14, 16, 17, 16, 15, 16. Determine the median age of the girls. Once you are done with the assignment, please send your answer to the comment section. Thank you so much.